Naunan to today is actually their own way to forecast the weather. So they have this belief that whenever you see an unusual number of clouds like was swarming or flying on the lower altitudes, which means specific type of upcoming or the rainy season is now approaching. So ginagawa nila, they will focus on the tribe for them to give an advice or a warning that they need to be ready for the possible changing the weather. So yan ang kanilang paniniwala. Pag marami sa gabi, na nagtinibaran, ibig sabihin, paparating na ang tagulan. And that is the island proven scientifically na bago magtagulan, at bago pag na naman ito, hindi ka sa kanyang cloud. At banda din Asher, palaman naman natin si Asher. Our next performer, before he goes part, you need to play the sila po muna. They need or the months that are significant.
Grabe ito si Jess.
Manahimik ka. Ako lang pwede mga sa sarili ko.
And it's one of the rituals that we normally perform, especially when you have the guidance from the guide. Now, you can see the arms are very short, kaya mag-step para matama kayo ng pana. So that performance, the warden. Okay, now put your arms over.
Oy, sinagulat.